And what do we do when we're feeling sad? Add to cart. Wait, what? Initiate checkout. Oh my god, no, don't do this. Click here to purchase. No, why are you doing this? I'm just so sad.
So this is Ace Beauty Glow Essentials. It's a highlighter palette. And as you saw, look at that. I wasn't expecting that. Isn't that freaking amazing? Amazing. Add to cart. Most definitely. So let's go ahead and just watch the next three. And yeah, like they look basic, right? They totally look basic. But then you swatch them and you're like, OMG, I'm so happy. Who doesn't get happy when they add to cart? Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Like, even this. Oh my gosh. Look at this pink. Look at the pink. Aren't they beautiful? Let's mix them all together. Whoa. Let's try it on the cheek. Let's try the pink one on the cheek. On the cheek. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. That is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. I would honestly recommend if you have lighter skin to use this palette, because every single tone goes with lighter skin. Even the darkest one right here, check it out. I can blend that in. Look, and it's not too bronzy, right? Okay, so let's try, oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and try that color on this cheek so you can see it. And then we will initiate checkout. Add to cart. Look at this, see? Look I just look like nice and like bronzed, like shimmer, sun-kissed. Beautiful, beautiful. Pink, whitish kind of pink. And sun-kissed. This is amazing. Actually, I'm really impressed. Gee, look how it turns out when I add the darker one on top. When I mix them. So here's the pink on this cheek, right? Check it out. Mix them and then mix them, and oh my gosh, you can mix them together. Awesome. And this is the 6 colors properly swatched.